The first AI model. Do you know who SHUDU is? SHUDU is the first generated social media personality and model, basically a virtual influencer. The character is considered the first digital model and was created in April 2017 by fashion photographer Cameron James Wilson. Her appearance is known to draw characteristic similarities from the Princess of South Africa Barbie doll. She even has her own Instagram with over 200,000 followers. On this page, you will see over 100 photos. And some of these photos, I can't lie, I can't tell that they're not real. This shows how drastically AI technology is growing and becoming so advanced that you're unable to tell the difference between something that's real and something that's not. This draws problems, though, in today's society. What if that power gets into the wrong hands? What if that power gets into a crooked cop or a criminal, a bank robber, or anything? With this new technology, who knows? They might be able to copy your face, make videos of you committing crimes, sex acts, and many other things. And realizing this is just the beginning, who knows what lies in the future? Who knows what new technology, even how advanced AI technology will become? I guess it's only time to find out. Yo, thank you for tuning in. This is my first ever YouTube video. I really appreciate everybody that stayed and watched the whole video. Leave a like, a subscribe, and let me know in the comment section how you guys like my video, and give me some feedback so I know what type of videos you guys will be looking forward to in the future. I'm going to be dropping consistent content, and let's do it.